India is building like never before. Bridges, flyovers, smart cities, you name it. Yet we have several challenges when it comes to construction. There are huge delays of construction, there is shortage of skilled labor, and we also have material wastage. Towards this, 3D concrete printing can be a game changer.
I'm very glad to see this 3D printing, and along with the technology that can revolutionize the construction, especially very optimal and very sophisticated building designs and structural designs are possible, and along with the innovation that is happening not only in the construction but also in the materials that is suitable for this construction, which is going to really revolutionize this construction, and that will pave way for greater and durable and sustainable buildings. So my the colleagues in the Civil Engineering Department of IIT Bombay are pioneering this effort along with their students and staff who will contributing to this one. Thank you.
IIT Bombay infrastructure team is currently making 25 modern buildings in our campus. So on the other side, IIT Bombay is very open to make some innovative approach by adopting various new technologies. So in this direction, currently we are executing a 3D technology based printing of the security cabin. So this is a small scale project by adopting the 3D printing technology. So when compared to our traditional methods, we can see that this is very much possible to bring innovation and various flexible design options in the process, and also it is more economical, sustainable and safe. So in this process, this is a first attempt, which is a live demo which you all are seeing now. Similarly, we are going to make many more applications, small scale projects with the help of this technology. So in this process, IIT Bombay infrastructure team, IPS office acknowledge the efforts of Professor Najib Sharif and Professor Prakash Nandagopalan and his team for making this attempt first time in our campus, and I am sure this will take us to many more new innovative designs in our campus. Thank you.